Hello. So this tip is about up or resizing images. Okay. So I design a lot or create, not design. Well, kind of. Okay. I create a lot of AI art in Midjourney. Okay. And majority of the time, well, the way I'm doing it right now, I get this nice square image, but sometimes I want my images to be 16 by 9 or Instagram size of stories or TikTok story size. Okay, so how do I make this that way? First, of course, you bring in I upload the image into Canva, and then I'll go up here to resize. This is a pro feature. This feature is so freaking amazing and has saved me so much time. Okay. So there's a lot going on in here. So check out everything that you can translate, you can transform into doc. Oh, I have videos on all of those. Okay. So basically what I want to do is I want to create a Instagram story with some beautiful quotes. Okay, I have a couple images like this, couple more. So I want to create like a bundle of them. All right. So I want to upsize it for a TikTok video. I'm not thinking video, but I'm thinking the size. Okay, and the size I want is 1080 by 1920. Okay, so I'm going to go continue. I clicked on that one. And either you can resize this whole design, which I don't want to because I still like it like this as well. But to utilize it in my business, I'm going to go copy and resize. And then it shouldn't take but a moment. See? And it brings you to another page, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to go up here and name it. I forgot to name that. So, redhead. Oh, it's not wanting me to do it. Okay, here we go. Sorry, just a little bit slower when I'm on Zoom. Redhead in hat. Okay. This is what I want to do. Um, Now, it would just look weird if I just brought it up like that, right? So I'm going to put it in the middle here. It doesn't matter where you want it. It's just, I'm just being, okay. And then I'm going to go up here to edit. It's the hover menu right above the image. And I'm going to press edit. Okay. Shouldn't take that long, guys. But a menu will pop up on the right hand side. See how it popped up? And there's so many different things I can do with it, right? Well, I want to go to Magic Studio and I want to go to Magic Expand. Okay, this is a pro feature. All right, so then I'm going to click on that and then it's going to pop up, same menu here. And I could do the whole page, I can do a square, but what I want is this one right here. And see how it is. Oh, shoot. Magic Expand. And 2x3 will do it too, but 9, that's the one I want. Okay. So I'm going to hit Magic Expand. And it does say, there's a warning, images with faces, hands, or transparent backgrounds may not work as well. That is for sure. I'm hoping this will be okay because it's a painting. All right, let's see here. What? Okay, there we go. A little glitchy. I was like, what? Okay, so they give you 4 different options. They're all just a little bit different. see how the background, then they gave her a little cutout in her shirt. Okay. And next one, changed up her shirt a little bit. Okay, that one's very similar, but does have that. Let's look at this one again. I don't mind that one either. Okay, I like this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on done. And then I would be able to put my whatever I wanted, my little quote up there. So that will work for me. I love it. So that is how you use how to expand the magic expand on a square to a TikTok photo or Instagram story photo. You know, and it really doesn't do that bad of a job. It really did very well. Okay, so there is my tip for today.